Cursor hit $4 billion in annual recurring revenue this week. That's not speculative, that's reported. And it happened in 4 months, from $2 billion in February to $4 billion now. The enterprise mix sits at 75%. That number matters more than the headline. For context, enterprise adoption at that density means Cursor isn't a tool engineers download and tinker with on weekends. It's infrastructure. Teams are standardizing on it. Companies are budgeting for it. That's the inflection point in AI tooling, when the market stops asking whether it works and starts asking how to operationalize it at scale. The growth trajectory signals something specific. AI native coding environments are repricing developer productivity in real time. The classical code editor, VS Code, JetBrains, Visual Studio, held the developer tool market for over a decade because the incumbents optimized for human speed coding. Cursor optimizes for machine-assisted coding. That's a different category entirely. When 75% of your revenue comes from enterprises, you're not competing on features anymore. You're competing on throughput per developer hour, context retention, and integration with actual production workflows. Why this matters right now, the reported growth trajectory, if sustained, would make Cursor one of the fastest scaling SaaS businesses ever recorded. Most enterprise software tools take 5 to 7 years to reach $4 billion ARR. Cursor's reported timeline is 18 months or less. That acceleration suggests market demand isn't being constrained by feature parity or adoption friction. It's being constrained by supply. Companies want AI coding integration faster than tools can ship it. For builders in the automation space, this validates a core hypothesis. Deeply integrated agents that replace repetitive cognitive work capture enterprise budget differently than generalist systems. Cursor succeeds because it's specific, it's embedded in the development workflow, and it handles a job that has clear ROI. Code velocity directly reduces delivery time. What to watch? Whether this growth rate persists through Q3 and Q4. If Cursor maintains even 50% quarter-over-quarter growth, we're looking at a category expansion signal, not just a tool gaining users, but the entire market repricing what it allocates to developer tools. If you want to stay ahead of moves like this, companies making the leap from chatbot interfaces to integrated automation agents, I build these systems for a living. Join the community. Link in the description. Build the system. Automate the rest.